Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we'll be making chicken salad. First, you're going to cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces like this. We used roasted chicken. In a bowl, you're going to add half a head of lettuce, one onion, one cucumber, one tomato, the chicken from before, and some fresh coriander. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the juice of a whole lemon. Now toss your salad nicely. This step is optional, but you can garnish with sesame seeds. Transfer the salad out of the bowl, serve as you wish, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes. We'll see you next time.